You guys are gonna be filling bags for 10 hours.
We have over 200 Corps members and staff.
We're doing a statewide flood training exercise.
When the area is wet, be cautious of slippery vegetation.
Learn different styles, learn weaknesses, strengths, and build from that.
Go. Fold.
Got it, back!
Got it, back!
It's important for crews to come together from up and down the state to show off, the different types of flood fight techniques that we use when we're fighting floods.
Got it.
We're actually the front lines, so it's definitely something that's going to help the crew out tremendously, figuring out how to work with other crews like this.
Communication is a big one.
Got it, back. Got it, back.
It's so that person knows that it's coming and it's not just like flying at her or him.
Back. If we work hard and stay together, then I believe that the crew will just be a strong build instead of falling apart. We have a boil.
Tack topping.
You get taught how to tie the knots on the buttons.
The tarp is acting as a barrier to not have the land erode away.
Cover up the holes and everything so it doesn't go in and flood it and make it worse, and not to ruin anyone's home. And then you put the sandbags around it so it just pushes the water outward.
Back, got it. Back, got it.
Definitely a great experience to be out here.
Got his bags.
If we were to get a heavy rainfall, I think we would be able to come here and help out.
But if so, we're ready.
They're ready to go. They're ready to come out and fight if we have an emergency.
Got it back. Got it back. Got it back. Got it back. Got it back.